Kazi ni Kazi, brought to you by the Ministry of Industrialization. The Ministry of Industrialization, tunaimarisha viwanda.
Wananchi wenye bidii hawachoki kutafuta riziki zao. Usinicheke, naendeleza gurudumu la maendeleo. Kazi ni kazi, kazi ni kazi.
The horticultural sector in Kenya is arguably the economy's fastest growing sector. Fruits, vegetables and cut flowers continue to dominate the country's local and export market, contributing significantly to the nation's gross domestic product. And as the country continues to thrive in a well-developed horticultural sector, the Kenya Industrial Research and Development Institute has put up a pineapple processing plant in Homabay to promote growth in the industry.
Apart from pineapple natural juice, we have nectars. This process can also make jams or spreads. We can make wine, and with advancements, other pineapple products include dehydrated pineapples together with the canned.
A first of its kind in Nyanza region, the plant joins multinational companies who dominate the pineapple processing industry in Kenya. According to Japheth Anuro, the project is said to have been installed to help pineapple farmers in the region get value for their produce.
Those who are producing pineapples had a problem with accessing markets, and therefore lots of wastages were realized on the ground. And of course also most of the pineapples were sold at a throwaway price.
The processing plant, which is still undergoing research, is expected to produce a range of pineapple products once it becomes fully operational.
At the plant, the first step is that this produce is weighed. After weighing and knowing how much the quantity that is delivered, then this is sorted again and graded again. After grading and sorting, there is the preliminary processing that involves cleaning, after which the pineapples are peeled and the core, the inner core, is removed. After removal of the peel and the inner core, the slices, they are sliced and extracted using a pulper or a press or a fruit press. Depending on the product that you want to make, if you want to make natural juice, then that pulp after sieving is only heat treated and packed as such.
Besides the processed products, the fruit processing plant has huge potential, which investors can take advantage of.
The peelings from the plant can go through three different processes in order to also add value to the wastes. One, the peels can be taken to a biogas plant to generate gas for cooking. The peels can also be dried, milled, and also converted into animal feed. Besides that, there are also certain active compounds that can also be extracted from the peels.
From this pilot plant, the researchers hope to transfer this technology to the general public for mass production. If this is achieved, Nyanza region will be able to supply pineapple products to the local hospitality industry and possibly the export market.
The target markets, depending on the products that we are making here, we have the high-end market and the low-end market. In the high-end market, we are actually talking about the hotels within the region. We are talking about the airlines within the region. We are also talking about the supermarkets within the region.
But as the researchers say, there are a number of challenges.
The produce is basically about 10 kilometers away, but this being a pilot plant, we wouldn't mind transporting it all the way until we get to the commercialization stage, where we can now transfer the machinery to where production takes place. Apart from transportation, we also have challenges within the process, the manual aspects of the process, which we have definitely to overcome. And the other major challenge is the market, because as KIRDI, we have to engage actors in the market.
Nonetheless, the plant is expected to provide opportunities for many across the value chain in what is considered to be one of the most successful agro-processing industries in Kenya.
Okay, first it starts with the farmer, because this is where the main problem is. It will put money in the pocket of the farmer. And besides the farmer, we have market intermediaries. There are transporters who will be able to benefit from the transportation service. There are traders. There are traders who will also benefit by selling.
Even with its minimal operations, the plant has a capacity to produce hundreds of liters of juice. And as plans to upscale the plant get underway, the researchers are confident that their effort will be significant in supporting the country's development plan.
Once we are able to establish the viability and replicate the same to other areas within the country, we shall have a vibrant pineapple industry, which shall have a major contribution towards the Vision 2030.
Kazi ni Kazi, brought to you by the Ministry of Industrialization. The Ministry of Industrialization, tunaimarisha viwanda.
Ni wananchi wenye bidii, hawachoki kutafuta riziki zao. Usinicheke, naendeleza gurudumu la maendeleo. Kazi ni